from the moment I first met you, I knew you were what was missing in my life. I saw in you a woman I could grow old with, a woman who would challenge me, inspire me, and above all else, love me unconditionally. You were more than just a beautiful face. You were the beacon I needed in my life, a guiding force that propelled me towards becoming the best version of myself. I remember the moment I fell in love with you. It wasn't a single definitive moment, but rather a series of moments where I found myself unable to imagine a day without you by my side.
Jarrod, I have dreamed of this day since the moment you told me you loved me. Although you would say you knew you loved me first, I wasn't far behind you. You are everything I hoped for and nothing I expected. You were all I ever wanted love to be and far more than what I prayed for. They say to be known is to be loved, and you know me better than anyone. The way you love me makes me feel seen, and like who I am is all you need. My love for you is one thing in this life I will never doubt. When I say I love you more, I don't mean I love you more than you love me. I mean I love you more than the bad days ahead of us. I love you more than any fight we will ever have. And I love you more than any obstacle that tries to come between us. I love you with all of my heart, and I can't wait to be your wife.
Emma, your love gives me hope, and your smile gives me peace. Your laughter gives me joy. I am today, tomorrow, and forever your devoted husband, lovingly and completely yours.
Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like volcanoes and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your root was so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part, because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness, it is not excitement, it is not the promulgation of promises of eternal passion. That is just being in love, which any fool can do. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away, and this is both an art and a fortunate accident. Those who truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground, and when all the pretty blossoms have fallen from their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two. Those whom God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Insomuch as Jarrod and Emma have consented together in holy wedlock, and have witnessed the same before God and this company, having given and pledged their faith each to the other, and having declared same by the giving and receiving of the rings, by the power vested in me by the internet and the beautiful state of Kentucky, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jarrod, you may kiss your bride.
and as a man you are, I'll know I've lived a successful life. I remember me and Dad were talking last summer after we ran with the bulls. He told me he was going to propose, and he showed me the ring. The way he was talking and acting really showed me something I've never seen in my dad. It confirmed to me that you are what my dad was made for, and you are the missing piece my dad never found until now. And I love you for that.
I love you. I remember being an excited 6-year-old little girl, telling everyone I was getting a sister. And they're like, oh, that's so exciting, a newborn. I'm like, oh no, it's just the baby's age. So, Emma's one of the most amazing human beings, and Jarrod really sold the deal with me when he helped me build my trampoline one summer. He jumped in, and that's when I told her, he's the one. He's the one.